In this video, I'm going to talk about Diaflow, which is recently back again on the lifetime deal in the Sumo Day deal here. Yes, Sumo Day deal is right now going on with the 10% extra discount. All of the tools or the softwares you can find on the appsumo here. So this is the right time if you want to get back some of the deals missed on the first plate with the extra 10% discount and plus 10% extra discount for the appsumo plus members. So in this video, I will talk about Diaflow. This is a tool you can use for your business to make the AI agents to automate your workflows and the internal apps and the tools. You can also build it here. The platform is good, although you need to learn how to use it here. So in this video, I'm going to give a demo and the tutorial how you can use this platform for your business to generating those tools, internal workflows or the apps here. First, let me talk about the lifetime deal that is back again. So starting from the $89, you can get its plan. Okay, so in the tier 1, you will get the automation credits per month is the 6,000. So this is the credits you need to automate your workflows. Okay, so every month you are going to get this credits for one-time payment because this is the lifetime deal, and the users or the flows you can create. There's also the white labeling feature is not available in the tier 1 plan. For the white labeling, so you can sell out these internal apps or the tools or the business workflows to others as well. You need to go for the tier 4 or the higher plans here. Okay, so this is all the things you are going to see in the dashboard if you get tier 1 or the higher plan. So I also tell you that this deal is going to end within the few days. This is the countdown I am showing you right now, so make sure you get it if you have missed it on the first time. And even after buying it, somehow if you are not happy, you can return it within the 60 days. So this makes it risk free and 60 days trial if you are not liking it. Diaflow here. So now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial of the Diaflow. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the dashboard you are going to get once you got its lifetime deal, and here in the dashboard it's going to show you your recent automations or apps you have created. Right now it is showing empty because I haven't created a one here. So we have to go with these dedicated options if I want to create the automations, and these options will give me the choice to getting started from the scratch, where I'm going to step by step going to create my app or the automation. But my favorite one is the templates because I don't have any knowledge or experience or coding skills to creating these AI agents. So simply I will go with the templates and find out my own app or flow template here. Right now I will go with this one, that is the generate social post from an article here. So simply click here on the clone your workspace, and few of the workspaces you will also find out the preview option, so you can preview it out. Okay, so let me clone this one, and now this is going to be the copied in my own workplace here. So now this will open the flow builder, and customizing or editing or adding a new step in the flow is really easy. I will show you out here. So this is the flow here, and right now you can see this is the trigger part. So I am giving you the walkthrough. This is going to be a little walkthrough here. So in the trigger we are going to customize what is our requirement here. So let me show you how you can add the more things. So right now let me give you the walkthrough. So this is going to be in the English. This is the product name, this is the steps, heights. I'm giving the data to so it's AI can understand here. I hope you are getting here. Suppose I want a new section to add the information, so simply I will click here on the add, and we have the different input types like the short text, long text, checkbox. We have the image. I want to upload the audio record. Okay, so that's how you can add. So without messing up with this template, I am going to simply publish it. Okay, so let me publish this one, and now it is going to first execute the flow. If there is any error, it will show me here, but if everything works really good, it's going to simply publish the flow. Okay, so right now I have selected a template, then I didn't have any customization done. If I have, I can add it here. That is the simple part, and after that I have published it. So suppose your flow is published. So right now my flow is published here. This is the link. If I want to test it, I will click here, and now this will open the flow. So we will check it out whether it's actually pretty good or not. So simply this one open here. So you can see this is the language. I have to add the product name, product specs, highlights, keywords, and the length here, and okay, that's how it will work. So right now your flow is built, and we have this link here. Okay, so let me show you where's the link. So I have to go to the Diaflow again here. Let me back to the dashboard and open the recent one that we have created. Yeah, we have created this app. So simply click here on the publish management, and this is the link. So now let me tell you how you are going to load this flow that we have just created in your own domain here. So first you need to click here to make it public. So I'm going to make it public, and after that we got this public link here. Make sure you make it public here, otherwise you cannot add in your own domain. So once you do that, make sure you copy it here, and now let me tell you the ways you can add in your website. So in the documentation, I have found out that there are the two ways I can add this flow or app or automation I have created with the Diaflow in my website. First one is just adding the link in my website any part here, and the second way that is going to load up the full this flow in my website like this is the iframe way. So this is the iframe, and you have to get this link here, or you can also go through to this documentation to understand everything about the Diaflow elements, every step or the options available. So I suggest go with the documentation, or you can also use these Merlin kind of the tools to just get your answers. I have used this one and I got the iframe way. So simply make sure you copy this iframe. So let me copy this one. I will copy it here. This is the iframe. Okay, and now you have to change this URL. You can see this is the URL. You have to change with your flow URL here. So I have published the URL. You can see this is the link I got. Make sure you make it public. So I got it here. Now let me replace this link here. So I have replaced. Now my embed code is ready. So I have to go to the here. So right now this is the previous one. This is the 4 but I'm going to replace with the my new one here, or I can also add the different ones. Okay, so let me save and publish. So we have to wait a little bit until this this is going to be published. So I think it will be this should fine right now. So let me refresh the page and let's see this flow is working or not. Let's see, it is loading up. This is my own domain I'm showing you right now here. Yeah, this load up here. You can see generate blog product description. Yeah, you can see we have the product name, specs, highlights, SEO keywords, and when we execute, this is going to generate the stuff for this flow is created or built on purpose here. Okay, so that's how you can add on your own website. Now let me talk about the customization. Suppose you want to change the background color, you want to add your own logo. So how you can do that? So simply here on the public apps, you can see this is the customization icon available. So simply click here, and now we will got all the options. Like I want to change the title here, this will change title. I want to add the logo or icon here, this will appear here. I want to change the color, I can do that here. In the colors and the style, I can change the background color. Suppose let's make it a little bit orange here. That's how you can change. You can add your logo. Okay, so that's how you can customize the background color and all the stuff. So this is the thing I want to talk about the Diaflow. The tool is really mind-blowing. There are the n number of the possibilities, apps, tools, automation, internal tools or the apps we can create using the Diaflow here. Right now available starting from the just $79. This is going to be the mind-blowing. Just pay the one time. After that you can use on your own website, your client website, and you can monetize and ask the money for it. So that's how this tool is going to work out. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, and I have talked everything. I have showed you how this templates work. With a single click you can copy it. How I have showed you the customization option, how you can add these steps, and if you want to create the these automation or the apps from the scratch, you have to just go to that section and click here on this create option, and after that it will open up the stuff for you. Okay, so right now let me also show you that. So let me make it really quick because this video is going to be the longer. So that's how the flow builder is going to open. You have to configure the trigger. So if you don't know how this trigger option work, how this plus option works, so basically in the plus option you can add the tools here. So we have the built-in tool, we have the built-in resources, we have the apps available, we have the LM models available. You remember I have told you that it has all the popular LM models, the AI models available to integrate with, like the OpenAI, Llama, Google Gemini, Mistral. So you can use in your flows. So right now what I suggest, go with its documentation. Here you will learn everything about creating a flow, deleting a flow, managing, adding the components, or what are their internal resources available. You will learn everything here. Okay, so that's all for the Diaflow. I hope you enjoyed this video and the features of the Diaflow. I want to remind you that make sure you get its lifetime deal before it's too late and you miss it out. So that's all for today's video. If you want to check it out more, tools reviews or the AI tools videos, you can just check it out my channel and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.